Cross with Clean Facts here, and I'm with Ed Cross. There's no relation, just we share the same last name. We joke all the time about it. But I'm here at the RIA convention, and this morning we heard some information about a new initiative by the RIA, and Ed, I believe you are chairman of that, the AGA. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what that is and how it's going to impact the industry.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. The RIA has taken a very special new move that they've never taken before, which is to take on the role of an advocacy association. And to that end, it has formed the Advocacy and Government Affairs Committee. We're calling it the AGA. The committee consists of a lot of industry heavyweights, people with all different backgrounds. And what we're going to do is pursue issues that are very important to restorers and do it on a larger level, because the restoration industry is very fragmented. It hasn't spoken in one voice. Other major industries are not fragmented. They're more unified. They're able to speak with one voice, like the medical lobby or even auto repair companies. They're able to get things done as a whole, whereas the restoration industry is under siege. Their profit margins are decreasing, their customer satisfaction is decreasing, and they're faced with ever-growing paperwork burdens that really aren't fair. And so what we're going to do is get together and come up with a common message. We're going to put out some position papers that the restorers are able to use, so they've got some talking points. Because one of the reasons restorers are really suffering, particularly the smaller ones, the mom and pop companies, they just don't have the information to defend themselves. And we're going to make sure that we get them that information, that it's widely disseminated, and that the industry is singing off the same sheet of music.
Well, that sounds exciting. I'm sure the industry is looking forward to it, and we're going to see some great progress soon, I'm sure.
I hope so. We appreciate the help from Clean Facts.
Oh, no trouble. Thank you.
Please get involved and support the AGA in any way you can. We need people, we need ideas, and we need money. And if you have ideas for a particular issue that's interfering with your business, please send me an email to edcross@edcross.com. Our committee will take a look at that and try to address that as best we can. Thank you for watching.
Good plan.